Hi, I'm Dawn Morrissey, the CEO and founder of Data Connectors, North America's largest cybersecurity community. Our 650,000 members and 250 active vendor partners have attended our physical, in-person conferences in 50 cities across North America since 1999. Data Connectors was the first organization to launch virtual cybersecurity summits, and we've been growing and perfecting them ever since. We needed to ensure that they're staying connected and on top of the security challenges we face. Data Connectors is the nexus of knowledge-based learning to further advance the careers of all of our members. At Data Connectors, we're committed to providing a one-stop shop for all your cybersecurity challenges and education at the live virtual summits we host across North America.